Hey, what's up, everybody? So, today what I got going on is I have this RAM mount, and it came with this U-bolt for handlebars. This bike doesn't really have anywhere to put it. This is a 2006 Gixxer, so it's got nowhere to put it. I was looking online for different ways so I can reuse this. And I see RAM Mount has a it is a insert piece that goes in here with a screw, and then on one end and a nut on the other, and you squeeze. Oh, sorry, and you tighten the nut, and it expands the rubber. And that rubber has a little ball. The rubber has a little ball like this one in the end. So up top, and then that's where you would put your RAM mount. So the issue I was looking at, a lot of people were complaining about, was that rubber spacer that goes inside of this hole. It does not grip on well. So when you have your phone mounted on here, your phone is constantly moving around. It doesn't really hold well. I did a little bit of research, and I found that in Amazon they have, I will post a link in the description, as well as I'll put the link for the RAM mount one if that's the one you prefer. But I ended up ordering this one off of Amazon. And then it comes with the tool that you need so you can tighten it. It comes with another little spacer and then little gaskets for it, so, or little rubber bands I guess it would be, so that way it holds it. The way it works is once you have it inside, you tighten this one down, and as you see, as the more you tighten, it expands. It brings in the bottom, and it expands these open, and these little grips will hold on to the walls inside. So I'm going to position mine here. See how it looks really, really loose, but as soon as I tighten it, it'll expand and it'll hold it in place where I want it. So that's about the placement that I want it to be at. So I'm going to tighten it down. Okay, so just about there. That's not going anywhere. That's on tight. So as you can see, that's on really, really tight. So the RAM mounts one is 20 to 30, and this one is just about the same price, 20 to 30. As you saw, I tugged on that and it did not, it doesn't even move, not even a little bit. So then you would put your RAM mount on here. So that's how I want mine to be positioned. I want mine to be about right there. Then, as you can see, so and that's just the RAM mount itself moving. It's not moving from the base. So it's on tight. That's the placement that I want it at. I can always move it down a little bit more. But that's kind of where I want it at right there. So yeah, and that's it. So follow, like, comment, subscribe, and like I said, I'll post all the links on the description. Yeah, see you guys around.